Hello and welcome back. At this lecture, I will help you to code our interface. First of all, for first interface, we want to change the percent when the user press this button. Okay, so come back to our first interface. And when user change the value up here, okay, we can run this first for check. Okay, when user changes, I want the VAT label to change as the user. Okay, so you can see when we press this plus, the value is changed. So I want to change this label. Come here, interface controller, and this VAT slider press. Okay, we will set the VAT label. Set text. We set it to values, and after that is percent. Okay, now check. Okay, it's okay now, but you can see we have a little 0 point in here because you can see in here VAT slide presses, the value is flush, so we have to convert this flush to in. You can easily press in here and some quote here. Okay, now check. Okay, now we have to change the calculate. When user press the calculate, we have to push to the third interface in here. We have to push to result interface here. Okay, so we have to identify this interface. Yeah, we can keep it to result. Okay, now come back to the interface and calculate button press. We can put controller with name, result, contact, nil. At this time we do not send anything, and similar for this setting code. We can change the setting code interface here. We can change it to setting code. Okay, copy that, and in here we can put it the cell, put service name, setting code, we say nothing. Okay, you see, when we put this, we come to this interface, and for this come from here. Okay, now you can see in this interface we want to send this to here. We can use the contact to send the value of this. Okay, but I think because in this interface we have to setting the value and send back to this interface and setting this button title, so I think better we will use the SingleTon, and we can send share instant between the interface. Okay, I will show you how to do that. First of all, we will create new file. Okay, and we link to NS object. We can call it a SingleTon. Okay, I will add this to VAT WatchKit extension. Okay, now we have a SingleTon object, so we can click a class và share instant. It's type of SingleTon. In this type, we can this class we can make a struct. Example. In this struct we have static and last instant equal to SingleTon. Double quote in here. After that, we return example dot instant, and in this class SingleTon we have a number equal to 0. So when we want to share the instance, we can set SingleTon dot share instance, and after that we can send this number to on the WatchKit interface. For example, for the one I will make our SingleTon first. Okay, for example, I will set in here, I will set SingleTon dot share instance. Share instance last number. You should copy this. Here. 25. Okay. Now we will set the title. So ghost button, set title is equal to $. Now it's SingleTon. Let's say intent, or you can copy in here. Okay. Now in interface, I will change this to 0 and see what happened. Yeah, it's 25 again. Although we set it to interface is 0. Okay, now in the setting code, we can, for example, change this SingleTon to 5 and see what happened if we come back. Come here and come back. It's still 25 because in here in interface controller we set a wait with context. It's one again. So if we can change this to the win active. So it's one every time the interface will show up. Okay. Now run and check. It's 25. Click here. Now we set it the SingleTon say instance to 5 and come back. Oh, it's still 5. Why? Because in here we set it 25 again. Okay, we can delete it and set one time in here. Only one time. Check. 25, 5 and come back. So okay, it's now come back 5. So you can imagine, like when the user can put here and change something blah 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 in here and come back. We set after that change, we set up the SingleTon set instance and come back. So voila, we will have the value in here. It's okay. Okay, I will set up later in next